आप लोग अपने स्थान पर जाए। सदन की कार्रवाई सोमवार तक के लिए स्थगित की जाए।
अमर सिंह जी, आप लोग वरिष्ठ लोग।
Forms are in, the furor is on. The Bihar SIR showdown refusing to die down, even as the poll panel announced curtains on the exercise on Friday. The Election Commission has stated that at the culmination of the special intensive revision of electoral rolls, 7.23 crore enumeration forms have been collected across the state, which means that 99.8% electors have been covered under the SIR. After the exercise, the EC has found 65.2 lakh electors' names will be excluded from the voters' list, which include 22 lakh dead voters, 35 lakh voters who have permanently shifted out of Bihar, 7 lakh voters who were found to be enrolled at more than one place. The poll panel added that 1.2 lakh forms were yet to be submitted after the deadline expired. The opposition parties that have been protesting against the exercise from Patna to Parliament continued their protest. India Bloc MPs on Friday tore the symbolic SIR sheets outside Parliament and raised the demand for discussions inside the House, which led to repeated adjournments.
तक के लिए स्थगित की जाए।
डर के मारे आज वो ये रिवाइज करने की जो कोशिश कर रहे हैं, ये बहुत बुरी बात है। इससे देश का भी नुकसान होता है और लोकतंत्र का नुकसान होता है। और संविधान के तहत ये लोग नहीं चल रहे, वो अपने हुकूमत को बचाने के लिए बहुत से चीजें कर रहे हैं।
The government side hit back, saying that the opposition doubts EC as they keep losing elections.
SIR जो है ये पहले भी हुआ है और राहुल गांधी जो लेटर लिखा था महाराष्ट्र का इलेक्शन के बाद, उसके बाद SIR शुरू हुआ है। और इनको जब हारते हैं सबके ऊपर डाउट आता है, ईवीएम पे डाउट आता है, इलेक्शन कमीशन पे डाउट आता है।
Government sources say that there can be no discussion on the SIR in Parliament as it's being conducted by the EC and the government cannot speak for it. In Patna, the RJD and Congress MLAs protested outside the assembly in black clothes.
विरोध करेंगे। बिहार के जनता का सवाल है, गरीबों का सवाल है, गरीबों का नाम कट रहा है सबको। जो बाहर गया है 4 करोड़ लोग, उसको क्या होगा? उसको तो वोटर आई कार्ड नहीं मिलेगा, वो वोट से वंचित हो जाएगा। पहले जवाब तो देना चाहिए सरकार को, राज्य सरकार का जिम्मेदारी नहीं बनता है।
The Bihar Assembly over the last few days has seen heated exchanges between the ruling coalition and the opposition alliance. And RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav has already hinted at the boycott of the polls slated to be held in a couple of months.
जो वोटर है ही नहीं जीवित, जो वोटर परमानेंटली देश छोड़ के चला गया, वो काहे के लिए वोटर रहेगा? जो 2 जगह वोटर है, जो देश का नागरिक नहीं है, तो इसमें कौन आपको उनको, वो चाहते हैं कि उनको एक तरफा खेलने के लिए दिया जाए? ऐसा नहीं होता है।
The issue of SIR has seen acrimonious exchanges between the poll panel and the opposition.
I want to send a message to Election Commission. Yes, sir. If you think you're going to get away with this, if your officers think you're going to get away with this, you're mistaken. You're not going to get away with it. Because we are going to come for you.
The Election Commission retorted to the charge, calling it an unwarranted threatening statement by Rahul Gandhi. The poll panel has maintained that the SIR exercise is constitutional and necessary for a pure voter list. And why must dead and shifted voters be kept in the list? Now all eyes will be on the Supreme Court that will hear the challenge to the revision exercise on July 28th. In the last hearing, the top court had advised the Commission to consider taking Aadhaar, voter ID and ration card as eligible documents. The Election Commission is slated to publish the final electoral rolls on August 1st.